Hi, I'm Jason Louv, and this is how we awaken your magic. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and relax. Begin to breathe through your nose. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. And now longer. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you continue to breathe at this rate, begin to notice your body. Start at the top of your head and notice any sensations that happen to be there. Just observe them, good, bad. Don't make any judgments about them whatsoever. And begin to move your awareness down through your head, across your face, across the back of your head, across the front of your neck, the back of your neck, your shoulders, collarbone, upper back, chest, stomach, lower back, upper arms, elbows, lower arms, hands, just noticing any sensations that are there, pelvis, upper legs, knees, lower legs, feet, toes. And now continuing to breathe deeply, let's go back up the other way and just notice any sensations that are there. Whatever they happen to be, notice as they arise, notice as they sustain, for however long they sustain, and then notice as they fade away, and just watch. Now, continuing to breathe, go up, toes, feet, lower legs, knees, upper legs, relaxing deeply, pelvis, abdomen, lower back, chest, upper back, hands, lower arms, elbows, upper arms, shoulders, collarbones, front of the neck, back of the neck, back of the head, up through your face, and up to the top of your head, relaxing deeply now. And now, I'd like to invite you to begin to visualize a circle around you, traced in blue flame. It can be as wide or as close to you as you like. And just know that within this circle, only the greatest and truest and highest and most noble possibilities exist. For you, for the people you're connected to, and for the world. Right now, and in the future, and across all timelines, in which all of the greatest, most noble, most wonderful, most magical, most successful, most empowering, and most absolutely and truly magical possibilities exist. All the magic you need or will ever need is within you now, right now, and this is how we awaken it. I'd like you to recall, if you will, a moment, a time in your life when you felt absolutely on top of the world, your complete best, your true self, a time when you were truly living, when you felt like you could do anything. Remember that time now. It could be a small moment, it could be a big moment, but remember it now and experience it. Be there now. See through your eyes as you were in that moment, and hold your body as you held your body then, and breathe as you did in that moment. See what you saw, hear now what you heard, and feel what you felt now. And as you enjoy that feeling, begin to remember a second time. A time when something totally magical happened. Maybe it was like a crazy synchronicity or a coincidence that seemed impossible, or something just happened that made you think, maybe the universe isn't what I always thought it was. Maybe this is a more magical place than I ever imagined. What was that moment? Might have been a small coincidence, a small synchronicity, or a big one. Remember that moment. Experience it as if you're there right now. See through your eyes, hear what you heard. Hold your body how you held your body then. Breathe as you did in that moment. And see what you saw through your eyes. Hear what you heard. And feel what you felt in your body in this moment of magic. And enjoy it. And now, begin to recall a third memory. A time when something that you wanted just happened. Maybe you had a goal that you were trying to achieve or something that you were trying to get done, and it just came together almost effortlessly, like it just landed in your lap. Maybe you thought it would be complicated to achieve this goal, but somehow, for some reason, everything just happened, almost as you didn't have to exert any effort at all, as if the universe just gave it to you. What was a moment like that, a time? Remember that now. And let that moment wash over you. Feel what you felt, see what you saw, and hear what you heard. Breathing like you did then. And now, as you come back to this present moment, is there a sense of energy? Perhaps a feeling of energy moving in your body, or vibrating, or some type of pressure? Where is it? Notice it. And however it's moving, I wonder if you can move it faster and faster and spin it faster. And notice how your state changes as you do this, how the feeling of magic amplifies. Is there a color associated to that energy? If so, make it brighter and brighter and extend it. Make the energy bigger in your body. Make it shine brighter and further, and spin it faster now. Spin it twice as fast. Double the intensity, and feel the effect of that. And double it again. And now, maybe just when you think you can't push it any further, double it again. Feel it. Feel that energy moving through you. That energy of potentiality and magic and ability and infinite possibility, and let it wash over you. Let it wash through your body. From the tip of your head to your face, all throughout your body. Let it move and extend to every part of you until your entire body is eclipsed with this feeling. Extend it so that it fills the entire circle as the circle becomes a sphere completely saturated with this energy as you intensify the energy and make it brighter and stronger again, and double it again. Infinite potentiality, infinite power, infinite healing, infinite acceptance, of yourself and the person that you're becoming and that you have been all along. And notice that energy as it heals you, as it extends to every part of your body, your mind, your soul, your being, your past, your present, your future. And now let's begin to manifest that future. A future created by your highest self, your true self. A future created by your true potential. A future created by you at your most magical, your most present, your most loving, your most compassionate, your most truthful. Truthful to yourself, to the people around you, and the community. Truthful because you're showing up as your true self. So I'd like to invite you to begin to imagine 3 things in the future that you'd like to accomplish. Let's start with something that you would like to accomplish today. Begin to visualize yourself having already accomplished this goal. Visualize yourself as if you're in your body. See the goal accomplished with your eyes. Not halfway done, not maybe done. See it done, finished, made possible, manifested into reality by your infinite potential and power and truth of character. See your goal accomplished. Hear what you say to yourself when it is accomplished, or perhaps what other people say to you when it's accomplished, and feel how that feels. Feel it in your body, and breathe deeply. Feel it, enjoy it, and know that it's already happening now. And now, as you enjoy that feeling, I'd like to invite you to step into a goal that you'd like to accomplish this month. A goal that you will into manifestation, that will be accomplished, that will be real. And step into it now and see what you see now that your goal is accomplished. See what's in front of you, see what's around you, hear what you say to yourself or what other people say to you, and feel that feeling of success, of victory, of winning. Feel it. Enjoy it. Breathe through it and make it stronger and stronger, and double that feeling of victory. Make it brighter. Make the words of congratulation that you're giving to yourself or that other people are giving to you louder and closer, with more love in them, with more pride, appreciation, joy, as you make the feeling stronger and stronger, and breathe through it and enjoy it. And now, begin to experience a goal that you'd like to accomplish this year, anytime this year, and step into it with all of this presence and power and magic and infinite self-confidence and infinite self-appreciation and infinite gratitude for all the universe has given you, all of the opportunities it has given you, all of the strength and intelligence and compassion and love and wisdom that the universe has given you. Because this is the nature of the universe, to give more and more and more all the time to those who are open to receive. And now step in and see what you see now that this goal is accomplished. Now that what you've wished for has come into your life. See what's around you through your eyes. Hear what you say to yourself or what other people are saying to you, and feel the feeling in your body of what it's like to have this feeling of infinite accomplishment and joy and gratitude and appreciation for all that you've done, how much you've grown, how far you've come, and how much the universe is continuing to enjoy and to love playing with you as a conscious player in your life and in the universe that we all share. Feel that feeling. Feel that ecstasy, that bliss, that joy, and make it stronger and stronger, and double the feeling. Spin it faster and faster, and double the feeling, making what you see brighter and what you hear louder, bringing what you see closer to you, and double the intensity. Double it again and again, knowing that this feeling, this power, this magic is within you now and has always been within you and always will be with you as long as you remember it, as long as you invoke it, as long as you call it forward. And all it takes is to sit down and close your eyes and visualize a circle around you in blue flame, and begin to breathe and begin to remember who you